One of the great things about the Aviator is that we actually adjust the seats on the door itself, and that's going to be the same for the driver-passenger side. So we've got a series of different buttons along the very side there. We do have one that's going to move that headrest backwards and forwards there, so we can kind of see it going up and down as we go, which is definitely nice. We've got another one for the backrest, so we've got some back support there. We can have this thing recline forwards, backwards, move our seat forwards, backwards, up and down. And then one of the cool things is that in certain versions of the vehicle, when we get into the ones with the active motion seats, so those massage chair seats, we can also adjust each individual leg. So it's a 30-way adjustable. And when I see each individual leg, it's each individual leg cushion we can move up and down just for that more comfortable fit based off of ourselves. And one of the great things is that it's got seat memory. So we've got 3 different seat memory buttons there. So if you have multiple people driving the vehicle, you can easily set that up for different people. You can also set up your steering wheel and the side view mirrors. So once you've got that perfect position, you're just going to press and hold 1, 2, or 3, and then it's going to save your own personal preference. Now, one of the great things is that we have some base settings there in order to be able to adjust the backrest, but inside of this sync media screen, we also have an additional option to adjust individual parts of the backrest also. So tons of different flexibility to really give this thing the perfect hug and the perfect position for what you're after. We move back to our settings, we've got a few other options. So one specifically looking at our massage chair seats. So we've got our seat option there. If we look at all of these individual settings, so we've got some options along the door to be able to adjust these things, but inside of this, we can adjust individual parts of the seat itself. So we can literally have it hug our body however we'd like it to. So if you really want to create more of that fit for you, this is a screen we're going to go to in order to do it. And you can do that for the driver and for the passenger side. And then both through the driver passenger side, you've also got the massage chair seats as an option. So we push that, and as you can see, we've got our lower upper rolling circular cushion and a number of other things. So we've got a series of different options that are available there, just depending on what you need for your own personal comfort level. And then turning this back off, and we are set to go there.